Hello everyone, myself Dr. Dushyant Pradeep and you are watching physics classes by Dr. Dushyant. In our previous lectures, we have explained the lasers, its difference from the conventional light sources and the principle that is used for the functioning of lasers. And today, in our today's lecture, what we are going to have why we need a metastable state. Our topic is metastable state and its need. Now, first thing, what is actually the metastable state? With having the metastable state above the ground level state, we are having, अब देखिए हमने देखा कि हमारे पास जो एनर्जी वैल्यूज हैं, जो E1 और E2, एक ग्राउंड स्टेट और एक एक्साइटेड स्टेट. अब हम एक्साइटेड स्टेट में नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो हैं वो रैंडमली चेंज होते रहते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, कुछ एटम्स ऐसे होंगे जो अपनी मर्जी से रैंडमली जंप कर जाएंगे E2 to E1 after completing their lifetime. So, with having the metastable state above the ground level, atom reaches the metastable state आफ्टर फर्स्ट स्टिमुलेटेड एमिशन. अब हमने क्या देखा कि अगर फर्स्ट स्टिमुलेटेड एमिशन हो जाता है तो एटम क्या करते हैं, मेटास्टेबल स्टेट पे आ जाते हैं एंड कैन रिमेन देयर फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम पीरियड्स. अब यहां पे हम उनके लाइफ टाइम जो बड़ा कम था एक्साइटेड स्टेट में, वो यहां पे कुछ इंक्रीज हुआ. सो द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स इंक्रीजेस इन मेटास्टेबल स्टेट. इसका सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट क्या हुआ कि हमारे पास जो हायर एनर्जी स्टेट्स हैं, मेटास्टेबल इज वन ऑफ देम, देयर probability of finding more number of electrons that goes on increasing, that is now positive. क्यों? कि जो पहली हमारी एक्साइटेड स्टेट थी, सिंगल एक्साइटेड स्टेट थी, वहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का नंबर, उनकी डेंसिटी इंक्रीज करना पॉसिबल नहीं था. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू add one more excited state, that is metastable state, and mostly this state is in between your excited and your ground state. So the number of atom increases in the metastable state, and when these atoms come back to original ground level, it emits your radiation, that is your laser beam. So let's see how we can increase the number of electrons or excited atoms at the excited states. And this phenomena in which we can increase the number of atoms at the excited states, that is known as population inversion, and which is actually the principle of your laser functioning. So what we are going to do, we have seen that the electron which when moves from where, from the ground state, जैसे ही वो ग्राउंड स्टेट से जाता है, जैसे ग्राउंड स्टेट पे यहां था, यहां से जैसे ही यहां पे गया, यहां पे आते ही इसका लाइफ टाइम कितना हो गया, 10⁻⁻⁷ सेकेंड्स. और रैंडमली वहां से जंप कर जाता है किसी एक मेटास्टेबल स्टेट में, और मेटास्टेबल स्टेट में राउंड अबाउट उसका 1 मिलीसेकेंड उसका लाइफ टाइम है. मींस योर लाइफ टाइम हैज नाउ बीन इंक्रीज्ड बाय 1000 टाइम्स, which was previously microsecond, now it is in millisecond. Now when this electron would jump to the lower and lowest energy, that is your ground state, it is going to emit the radiation, and which is going to be forming your what, your laser beam. I think मुझे आपको समझ आ रहा होगा इस पिक्चोरियल डायग्राम से. अब देखिए यहां पे जैसे ही हम नेक्स्ट पे जाते हैं, so how we are going to move your electrons to higher energy level? For that, what we are going to need, we are going to have what, a pumping. So how many types of pumpings are there? Number one, optical pumping. Optical, as the name governs, optics means light. So light is going to be the pumping source, the energy store. And the next one, we are going to use the electrical pumping. With the help of the electric pulses, electric potential difference, we can increase the energy level of the ground state electrons to the higher energy states. Then we can have the electromagnetic incidence of the X-rays, and last one, with the help of the chemically generated energy, that is known as your chemical pumping. So these are the few processes with which we can increase the energy level. So let's see what are the different components of the laser. which are going to give the different functioning during the working of laser. So we are having the laser components here. So whatever the laser you might be having, there are three fundamental components. One is medium, in which your electrons are moving. Number two, the pump, which is going to cause your population inversion. So medium के electrons move करेंगे एक energy level से दूसरे energy level में, और population inversion को generate करने के लिए जो हमारे पास एजेंसी है, that is your pump. And the last one, that is the resonator. Resonator are mostly the setup of the lenses, the surface polished to generate a highly focused beam of laser produced here. So the laser, the lasing, the medium that we say, that is the lasing or a gain medium. The source of energy to excite the electrons in the gain medium, that is your pump. And the last one, and the optical path which allows the emitted photon to oscillate and interfere constructively. Constructively क्यों करेंगे interfere? So that they can generate the maximas and the highly magnified, amplified beam of the laser into the system, and that is known as what? That is your resonator. Now look at this diagram. Here what we are having? We are having an optical pump here. Here we are having an optical pump here. Here, this is the gain medium in which your electrons are moving from one part to another. These are your half reflecting and oscillating medium. So this is causing a resonator here. This is actually the outlining of what we are going to have in our complete focused. ठीक है, अब देखिए यहाँ पे देखिए, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो थे ऑप्टिकल पंपिंग के कारण इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहां से मूव हुए, और जो रेडिएशंस निकल रही हैं, दे आर नाउ गेटिंग modified, amplified with the help of these half partially reflecting and half reflecting mirrors, and it is coming out in the direction of this arrow here in the form of an amplified beam. So how is the laser action taking place? So there are 5 steps which are here. So what is happening? There is a half reflecting, a totally reflecting mirror. There is an output coupler, the pressure that is partially reflecting. So आपके पास दो ऐसे mirrors हैं जो आपके beam को intensify करने के लिए use हो रहे हैं. One is half high reflector, that totally reflecting mirror. Other one is partially reflecting. So एक को आपने completely reflecting बना दिया है, दूसरे में partially reflections है. So क्या हुआ? जैसे lasing medium ground state में है, उस समय आपके पास ये diagram है. जैसे जैसे लेजिंग मीडियम को पंपिंग एनर्जी मिल रही है, ये जो आपका एनर्जी लेवल 1 है, वहां पे हमने क्या किया, ये पिंक कलर के डॉट्स हैं, ब्लू एनर्जी लेवल 2 पे आ गए, तो ये एक्साइट होते जा रहे हैं एनर्जीज, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. एंड व्हेन देयर इज अ स्पॉन्टेनियस emission, look at this, these are the green color dots which are now getting the spontaneous emission, and yellow, they are representing the stimulated emission. Emission is happening here. So with the help of these resonators, your couple, they are moving in between them and get is amplified, and at the last we are having a highly amplified laser beam at the output. ये सारा एक्शन था जिसमें आपके पास क्या कर रहे हैं, आपके एटम्स एक एनर्जी लेवल से दूसरे एनर्जी लेवल पे जा रहे हैं और आपकी एनर्जीज को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं at both the levels, and at last the radiations which are coming here as the laser beam. This is the actually functioning of the laser. Thank you very much. I think you might have got certain answers of your questions or doubts about the laser functioning, how your 3 types of essential parts of the laser are going to work, that is your lasing medium, that is your pump, and the resonator. If still you are having any doubt, अगर आपके पास अभी भी कोई डाउट है, आप मुझे मैसेज कीजिए या कमेंट कीजिए मेरी वीडियो पे, so that we can discuss it later on in our next videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe this channel. Physics classes by Dr. Dushyant among the masses which are having the same interest to study the laser and the similar topics. Thank you. Have a